It's 2026 and it feels like the AI trend is already hijacked by Google. We all have heard about Gemini, notebookLM, Nano Banana Pro, but that's not it. Google is experimenting and working on 45 different tools which we are going to explore today. So without any further ado, let's start with this. I'm on the homepage of Google Labs and they have 45 different experiments going on. Let's start one by one. The first one is CC. It's an experimental AI productivity agent which is directly integrated into Gmail, which will help you summarize your emails and write emails as well. Second one is Disco, which will help you redefine your web experience by creating custom web apps based on the tabs which are open into your browser. Third one is Dopal. Dopal is there to help you try different clothes and redefine your shopping experience. Fourth is Google Apps for Windows, where you can download this app into your Windows system and you will be able to ask it any questions anywhere whenever you need it. Fifth one is Pomali. It's basically a marketing assistant tool where you can create all the marketing related assets just by using this Pomali tool. Next is Mixboard. Mixboard is like an AI powered canvas where you can reallocate and create your mood board there. Next we have Opal, which helps you build custom applications without even writing a single line of code. Next is Learn Your Way, which helps students improve their learning experience. Next we have Music AI Sandbox, Stacks, Moving Archives, Portraits. Then we have Flow, which you might already be knowing, which is for video generation using VO 3.1. Next we have Project Mariner, which is a research prototype for exploring future of human-agent interaction. Then we have Synth ID Detector, which helps you detect whether something is AI or not. Then we have Stitch, which helps you design entire UIs and export it into Figma or design tool. Then we have Jules, Sparkify, AI First Collab, Little Language Lessons, then AI Mode, Career Dreamer, Daily Listen, Whisk, which helps you create images. Then we have notebookLM, which helps you in researching and learning purpose. You might already be aware of it. Then we have Project Astra, video effects. Then AI overview in search, which you might be using whenever you do a Google search. There will be an AI overview of whatever you are searching, and that will help you with your search experience. Next we have Learn About, Image Effects, Ask Photos, Text Effects, GNAI in Chrome, Help Me Script, Firebase Studio, /code, Illuminate, Music Effects, Conversational AI on YouTube, Google Vids, then GenType, National Gallery Mixtape, Talking Tools, Food Mood, and Say What You See. So these were 45 tools which are under experiment in Google. If you need a full list, I will attach this in the description. You can check it out. Let me know what you think about it and subscribe if you want to learn AI along the way with me. See you in the next one.